Every now and again in real estate you come across that one property that simply just takes your breath away. What I'm about to show you now is that and more. Welcome to the stunning property here, aptly named the Peninsula, Arapawa Island, Queen Charlotte Sound. It is the ultimate Kiwi Bach. Not only is a stunning property available, but we also have 2 additional sections, both over a hectare in size, available for sale nearby. Each have engineered building sites, access to a shared boatshed and jetty, and sheltered mooring options. So why not buy 1, 2, or even 3 properties? Lots of opportunities to expand your estate here. My name is Vicky Wiblin. If you require any further information, please get in touch or to arrange your private viewing. You're going to fall in love with what we have here.